Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you all of the ways that you can install plugins on your WordPress website. So there are mainly two main ways that you can install plugins on WordPress. The first one is the one I recommend, and it's it's the easiest one. To do that, all you need to do is to go to install plugins. Just open the plugins part and click on add new. In this part, you can see all of the available WordPress plugins on the website. Sorry for that. Uh, all you need to do is just search the plugin that you need or you want. For example, I'm gonna just type Yoast, I guess the name is. I'm sorry for wrong pronunciation. And as you can see, it gave me this recommendation. As you can see, this is the plugin that I want. Now all you need to do is just click on install now. But let's take a look on this part. It's featured, has a featured part, popular, and we have Yoast here too, WooCommerce, Elementor. These are the really most famous plugins on the internet. So for installation, you can just click on install now, and you have to wait a little to download it. You can see it's installed, and all you need to do is just click on active, and it'll be activated for your website and you can use it in there. Now the other way to install your plugins is maybe that you have downloaded a plugin file on the internet or on anywhere else, and you need to install the file itself. For example, I'm just gonna deactivate Classic Editor to install it again, and I'm gonna just say download Classic Editor plugin WordPress, and I'm gonna go to the first page that is recommended to me. Just click on download, and gives me the file. I've downloaded it. Open the folder, and we have it here. Now what you need to do now is just to open an Explorer page, go to C drive and open up XAMPP, htdocs, your WordPress folder, WP content, and in plugins all you need to do is just paste it here. Now we have this. Now we just go to our plugins page again and reload it, and as you can see it's here, and you can just activate it and use it. These are the ways that you can install your plugins in WordPress, and it's all you need to know about it. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.